Hey guys, William James here, and in this video I want to talk to you about how you can actually 10x your results plus never be rejected by using gradients. So if you're new to the channel, again, my name is William James. I do videos for network marketers, affiliate marketers, coaches, consultants, online entrepreneurs, people who want to start and grow home-based businesses. I specialize in free Facebook marketing strategies, free Facebook traffic. I've got a whole group dedicated to teaching all the ins and outs of free Facebook traffic. If you're not already in that group, there'll be a link below the video where you can join the group. And of course, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of the video in the comments, and please consider subscribing to the channel. So today I want to talk to you about how you can actually 10x your results and never be rejected again by using gradients in your marketing. Now, typically, when people start out marketing, and this is what I did, they go either one of two ways. Either they go with the paid route or they go with the free route. And it's kind of the same thing in both scenarios here. If they go with the paid route, basically they're going to be buying a whole bunch of like solo ads, right? Or maybe they're even going to try to run Facebook ads or Instagram ads. But often in the make money online space, the first place people are going to go is like some type of a solo ad deal. Whatever, they're going to run cold traffic to some kind of a sales page, right? And, there's going to be some type of an offer there. And often it's like a network marketing deal, because that's what most of you guys, I think, are in network marketing. And, maybe you're in a health and wellness business, or you're in CBD oil or skincare or something like that, right? And you've got some kind of a page. And if you're running paid traffic, it's going to that page, and most likely nobody's buying, right? And there's a reason for that. So then the other half of the people are going to go, okay, screw it. That's too hard. It's too expensive. I can't make that work. And fair enough, because paid ads are really expensive and really difficult. And so they go, okay, I'm going to try to do it on Facebook. And so they go on Facebook and try to do free networking. So, that's pretty much the options, right? Either you do paid ads, or you do free networking, or you like build a YouTube channel or something, or blog it. But most of you guys are going to turn to Facebook, right? And so you're talking to people, you're networking. And, regardless of whether you're doing an affiliate offer or coaching or MLM or whatever, you're networking. So it's, for all intents and purposes, it is network marketing, because what you're doing is you're contacting people and you're trying to get them interested in whatever your offer is, through your Facebook profile. This is what I sort of specialize in, what I teach, and what a lot of my students are really struggling with. So I'm going to mainly focus on that, right? So the issue that people have is that they don't understand gradients. And for a lot of you guys looking at this video, you're like, what the heck is a gradient? So what I mean is that an example of not using gradients, right, is coming up to somebody on Facebook, sending them a message, and basically immediately trying to get them to join a network marketing company. Yeah, a lot of people in the health and wellness, CBD oil, so on and so forth, right? They're trying to get people involved in their company. And so they sit there in the morning and they go, okay, how am I going to get some people to join me? Well, I better go out and message people and ask them if they're interested in joining me. Right? So they go out there and they find people that they think maybe are vaguely interested in this sort of thing. Maybe, I don't know. And they just kind of ask them if it might be okay to send them some information about it. Or if they're, there's all kinds of cheesy lines that you hear all the time, hey, or do you keep your options open when it comes to making money online? Or, hey, my business is expanding in your area. Would you like to take a look at it? Whatever. Some kind of variation of basically trying to get the person to take a look at a network marketing company. And there's all kinds of reasons why that's not going to work most of the time. But the thing that I want to talk about right now is like, you're offering them the wrong thing. You see, this is the major difficulty with home business opportunity type of offers, is that you are asking a person who doesn't know you to make an enormous decision, right? It's a huge commitment to start a new business, right? It's not like, it's not like an impulse buy at the grocery store, like, I'll just add this chocolate bar to my cart. No, it's like it's a huge buying decision, because you're not only asking the person to purchase something, you're asking them to like start a new business, right? So some of you guys you're out there and you're like, well, my company is only, $97 to start. Like, it's not that expensive. How come people aren't just doing it? It's like, it's not the price. It's the commitment that you're asking people to make. And the amount of knowledge that it would take for them to make that commitment is just much greater than they have when you're just messaging them on Facebook, right? So there's a whole process that you have to take somebody through before they're going to be ready to make a decision of like, you know what, I'm going to start a Melaleuca business, even though I'm in HempWorks, or even though I'm a realtor, or I'm a chiropractor, or I've done affiliate marketing, but now this person has shown me that really it's all about CBD oil or what. Like there's a whole process that a person is going to have to go through before they make that decision. The problem is most people are just approaching people, and the first thing they're offering them is like a new business opportunity. And typically it's in a network marketing company where, if I'm being blunt about it, almost all network marketing companies, the product and the whole business is like not something that people have a burning desire for. Most of these companies are selling like skincare, health and wellness supplements, cleaning products. Like they're selling stuff that, either you could like get it at the grocery store for less money, or, it's just kind of out there, or it's like Forex or something where you're asking people to basically like learn an entirely new skill. So the point here, guys, is that network marketing and affiliate marketing is difficult because you're asking people to accept a very challenging premise, right? You're asking people. There's going to be all kinds of skepticism about this kind of thing. There's going to be a whole lot of education that a person is going to have to go through before they really get it and like understand why they should start a business with your company or whatever, or start promoting this offer. But the bottom line is you're asking them to make it a huge decision to stop doing what they're doing and do your thing instead, or, to do two things at once or three things at once. I mean, some people are in like 7 different network marketing companies and they're not doing anything in any of them, right? So there's all this overwhelm. So the point here, guys, is that I'm not telling you shouldn't be in a network marketing company, because they can be great. But what I am saying is that it's very difficult to lead with them. In other words, it's very challenging to message somebody on Facebook that you've never spoken to before and actually get them interested in joining your supplement company. It's going to be very hard. What you need to be doing to make your life easier is that you need to understand that people have to go one step at a time, right? It's often said as an analogy in this world that, it's like asking a girl to marry you when you've never spoken to her before, right? Just going up to a girl at a party and getting down on one knee and saying, "Will you marry me?" when you never talked before. It's like people are putting the cart before the horse. And with these business opportunities, it's kind of like that, because you need to be, if you want to make your life easier, you want to be taking a person through a process of education and warming them up before they make a decision. Okay? Right? Like they're not going to just buy it now. They're not going to just take a look at your presentation, even though they've never spoken to you before, and like decide to join a new business right now. People expect that that's going to work, and it's just not, because there's all this time people have to go through to get warmed up to it. And so then like once you understand that, then the problem is like, well, how am I supposed to warm these people up? Like, how am I supposed to take a person from never having heard of me or my business before to being like, yes, this is something I really want to do? Like, there's a process, right? And that process basically consists of you just communicating with them consistently over time, okay? And educating them about why your deal is something that they should be excited about. So, and for some of these companies, it's like there's a lot of education involved. Like there's some type of a like nutritional supplement or something, some kind of a product that like is some miracle product, and you're supposed to take it and it'll make you healthier. And like there's all this science behind it, and like there's all these, there's like all this stuff. Somebody's gonna have to watch hours of videos before they really even like get what the thing is, right? So they're not gonna buy that like because you sent them a Facebook message. So how do you do it? So you have to get them on the process of being educated about your offer, and they go up the stairs. Like that's what I mean by a gradient. That's what a gradient means. It's a process of increasing communication in this example, right? So the point here is, how do you do that? So what you do is you got to start by offering them something that they're going to say yes to now, right? Because the goal is to capture their information, to follow up with them in some way that's automated. Because otherwise, you're going to go, oh my God, I've got like 100 people that I've spoken to about this opportunity, and I have to like warm them up over time. So I'm going to have to just like manually, like if you're trying to manually go back in Facebook and keep up with every single person that you've ever talked to every day, plus keep on talking to new people every day, you're going to get totally overwhelmed and it's never going to go anywhere. So that's why we use sales funnels and email follow-up and things like that, right? For me, I use a group. I use my Facebook group. That's the first thing I offer people, because it allows me to gather people together so that I can communicate with them en masse instead of one at a time, right? A Facebook group, an email list, maybe you get them to subscribe to your YouTube channel, whatever the case may be. But the point is, your first goal needs to not be to make a sale into a whole new business opportunity, right? Your first goal is to offer them something that they're going to say yes to, and to then be able to communicate with them automatically in an automated way from then on. Okay, that's the goal. For most of you, it's going to be an email list because that's pretty easy to build. And all you have to do is throw up a capture page in front of your offer. There's all kinds of lead magnets that you can use, right? But the point is, you start by offering somebody something that they want right now, where there's very low friction. What I mean by friction is like there's going to be no resistance to them saying yes to it. If you're offering somebody like, hey, start this whole new business that you don't even understand right now just because I'm messaging you, the friction is like, it's like a brick wall. They're just not going to do it, right? Whereas, if I say, like, my offer is my group right now, I can say, hey, I have this free group where I'm teaching yada yada Facebook strategies. Would you like to check it out? It's free. They get value. Like, why would they say no? I mean, sometimes they say no because they're just like too busy or something. But there's very little friction there, right? That's why people use lead magnets. A lead magnet is like, oftentimes it's like a free ebook or a free training or something, right? That you offer to somebody in exchange for their email address. Okay. So leading with something like that people are going to say yes to is going to make your life 1,000,000 times easier. People are banging their head against the brick wall trying to do something which is impossible or very difficult, which is trying to get people to start a new business when they have no idea who you are and they don't know anything about it. You don't want to spend hours and hours talking to that person, right? To try to educate them. You want to bring them into your world so that they can start consuming content that you're creating about that opportunity, right? Like if you've got a YouTube channel and 3 times a week you put out a new video about some facet of your nutritional company and why people will be excited about it, and you just drip those YouTube videos on people over time, then they're gonna get warmed up to you and to the offer, right? But you've got to have something on the very front to hook them, to get them to say yes. Okay. Now, sometimes it can be free, sometimes it can be paid, right? So like the tool that I offer in the group, there's the Simple Social Tools, right? Which is a tool that automates friend requests. This is an awesome front-end offer. You can make a full-time living promoting that. A lot of you guys don't realize that. But it pays a commission of $18.50 a month. And you could literally go out on Facebook and be like, hey, what's going on? You trying to market an opportunity on Facebook? Like, could you use a software that automates your friend requests? Half of the people are going to say yes. It's like, it's inexpensive, but it pays a good commission. It's useful to them. It's something they want and need that's going to help them, right? So there's very little friction. So like I would do this with my Facebook course. When this group used to be a course, I would make sales like every day, sometimes twice a day on my Facebook course, because it was something that people wanted that was going to help them. And it was a low price point, right? I'm not asking them to make a whole decision about starting a new business. It's not that you shouldn't do that. It's just that you do that gradually over time on the back end through your automated follow-up. That's the whole point of the like automated marketing stuff, the like internet marketing. That's the point, right? So you can drip emails on people. You can email them every single day. And it might take somebody 6 months or 6 years before they join you in something, right? But the point is, all you have to do is say, hey, do you want this free ebook? They go, yes. They put in their email. And now they're on their list. And then 6 years from now, you've been sending them emails about your network marketing company, and finally they're ready to join. But you haven't actually physically talked to them in 6 years. All you did was offer them the free ebook. You see? So that's what I mean by gradients. Like, you start with something that they're just bound to say yes to, or that most of them will say yes to. And then over time, you warm them up to these more in-depth deals, like a home business opportunity where they have to really know a lot about it and like make an educated decision. And it's going to take time, and it's going to take commitment and money. Yeah. So like, this is why it's important to have multiple offers. So many people are like, I joined Isogenics or Melaleuca or HempWorks, and now that's my business, and I'm just going to go after people about that, and I'm all about that business. It's like, no. Your business is you, and you should have multiple different offers that you can offer to people depending on where they're at in your whole process, in your sales process, and depending on what they want and need, right? Just because you're in Melaleuca doesn't mean that you can't also be offering Simple Social Tools on the front end or whatever, right? Some other thing that's going to help them that they're going to say yes to, whether it's free, whether it's paid, whether it's an email list opt-in, whether it's a group, doesn't really matter. Just something that you can offer them that they're going to say yes to. You can capture their information and follow up with them. And then over time, you can educate them about your more in-depth deal, okay? Very, very important. All right, guys, that's about it for this concept. Let me know what you thought of this video in the comments. And if you liked it, please share it with your teammates and your friends. And of course, subscribe to the channel. If you're not in my group, there'll be a link below this video where you can check out the Facebook group and get all the ins and outs of my whole Facebook strategy. But for now, guys, I'm going to wrap it up, let you have a great night, and we'll talk soon. Bye.